Hey friends, Danny here, back with you with another cool DIY project for your home. Let's make a custom key holder for your entryway. I want to thank the Original Super Glue for sponsoring this video, so let's hop into the build. So the first step, we're going to be cutting on the Glowforge the lettering for our sign. You can also get custom lettering at your local hobby store, or if you have a scroll saw, you can also do this as well. We are so excited to have a Glowforge in the shop. You're going to be seeing it in a lot more content for projects like this. It comes in super handy. You can easily design it on the laptop, throw it onto the Glowforge, and it takes care of the rest. Cool thing about this project is super customizable, so you can choose the font you like. I wanted more of a scripty font, but you can do anything you want to fit the taste of your home. What is it about laser cutting that is just so awesome? So from start to finish, about 10 minutes. So let's get these pieces off the Glowforge. Let's go back out into the shop with the CNC and let's get started on the next piece. I had a stock piece of maple sitting around for the Kentucky. You can use pine or any other material you would like, but I had a piece of maple and we're throwing it up on the CNC. On the back side, we're drilling out holes for the magnets that are going to be holding the keys. So let's watch the CNC do its work. Not to be biased, I am born and raised in Kentucky, but Kentucky has one of the coolest outlines of the 50 states. It really looks cool watching the CNC dance while cutting the outside. So let's finish this up. So again, if you don't have a CNC, you can use a scroll saw. You can easily print a template online to be able to trace it onto a piece of material. So there are plenty of ways to do this. You can probably even pick up a state piece from a local hobby shop. But again, totally customizable to the size to fit your needs. Now I'll do some light sanding and apply a nice finish. So to install the magnets, I'm using the Original Super Glue's Future Glue. It's a gel. I love that it doesn't run or it doesn't drip. It has instant bond, and I felt like for this application it worked perfect, and we're also going to use it to attach the lettering to the board as well. The Future Glue works so well trying to put small dots of glue on these letters because they were so thin, and that's why I went with gel. It was just really easy to control the flow, and it made this project just so much easier. I would highly recommend it. Hey, a few quick tips about it. It adheres to dirty, greasy surfaces. It resists high and low temperatures as well as most chemicals. It instantly bonds to metal, rubber, aluminum, ceramics, china, hard, softwood, leather, pottery, jewelry, most plastics. It's a pretty universal product. How many people do you know right now that could use the Future Glue? If you're a hobbyist, a crafter, a DIYer, or if you're just a homeowner, or especially with kiddos with toys, the Future Glue will come in handy for you. Just saying. I love simple projects that can add some cool character to your home, but also take care of a problem, because how many people out there lose their car keys? Also too, with this pine round, I picked it up at our local home improvement store, and I found it was cheaper than actually joining a bunch of boards together to make this circle. This is an 18-inch pine board circle. We have the letters glued down, so now let's install the Kentucky with the installed magnets. For this, I'm going to be using the Original Super Glue Total Tape, the construction adhesive tape. These strips will hold 14 pounds per strip. They are double-sided. They work on so many applications indoor and out, and it is perfect to get this Kentucky installed. A key tip is use rubbing alcohol before putting the tape on the part. This will make sure it adheres perfectly. Once you get the tape where you want it, you will press firmly down and then it bonds, and that is it. And this thing is not going anywhere. So friends, all that's left is put on your favorite hanger and install it where you would like it in your home. But guys, thank you so much for following along. This is a fun, simple build that really only takes a day, and it takes care of a problem and adds a really cool piece of decor in your home. I want to thank the Original Super Glue for sponsoring this video. The Total Tape and the Future Glue was super awesome to work with. They have such a wide variety of products for the homeowner, DIYer, and in construction. But guys, please like this video. If you love the project, let me know down in the comments. Please subscribe, and of course, hope you have a wonderful day and stay classy.